In this video, we'll be solving another SQL problem from LeetCode. The problem is called salesperson. So we are given a table, salesperson, and in that we have sales ID, name, salary, commission rate, hire date. Each row of this table indicates the name and ID of the salesperson alongside with their salary, commission rate, and hire date. Then we have a company table, and in this table, each row of this table indicates the name and ID of the company and the city in which the company is located. Then we have a third table, orders. Each row of this table contains information about one order. This includes the ID of the company, the ID of the salesperson, the date of the order, and the amount paid. So we have to write a solution to find the names of all the salespersons who did not have any orders related to the company with the name red. Okay, so this is the company table. So let's take a look at the example. So this is the salesperson table, and in that we have the salesperson IDs and their names, and then so these are the required important columns which we'll be using. And then we have company table, in that we have company ID and company name, and we have red here. And then we have orders table, in that we have order ID, order date, company ID, salesperson ID, and the amount. And in output we have ME, Mark, and LX. So let's see what it is saying. So we have to write a solution to find the names of all the salespersons who did not have any orders related to the company with the name red. Okay, so as you can see here in the company table we have red, and for that company ID is 1. And then if we look at the orders table, in that we have a column company ID. So this is the foreign key. So what we don't want is, we don't want this company name red, and it is associated with company ID 1. So that means we don't want comma ID equal to 1 in our orders table. So as you can see, for comma ID 1, there are two salespersons who are associated with it. That is the salesperson ID 1 and 4. That means 1 is John and 4 is Pam. So that means our answer should be ME, Mark, and Alex. ME, Mark, and Alex. So that is how we are going to solve this problem. So what we will do is, first of all, we will figure out those salesperson IDs which are associated with this company. So let's try to find those people who are associated with this company. So since we are using these two tables, so we'll do a join between orders table and company table, and we'll try to figure out the sales ID. So what we will do is, we'll do a select from orders, let's call it O, and we will do a join company, and we will call this table C, and we will do the join on C dot com ID is equal to O dot com ID, and we will select from orders table, we will select the sales ID, salesperson ID, sales ID, where C dot name is equal to red. So let's select this, let's run this. So after running this, we have got two salesperson IDs, 1 and 4. That is John and Pam. And so these are the two salespersons who are associated with a company whose name is red. But what we want a solution to find the names of all the salespersons who did not have any orders related to the company with the name red. So what we will do is, now we will do select name from salesperson table, where sales ID not in this, right? So what we will get is, we will get all those salespersons whose ID is neither 1 nor 4. That means we will get 1 2. No, not 1 2. We will get 2 Emmy, we'll get 3 Mark, and we'll get 5 Alex. So let's run this. And it is accepted. So it was an easy problem, but you just have to apply some logic here. So first of all, you have to understand these 3 tables, and you have to understand what it is asking, and then you can apply any logic to come up with the solution. In our case, what we did was, first of all, we found out all those salespersons who are associated with this red company, and we got 1 and 4 sales IDs, right? And after that, we wrote a query, let's select name from salesperson where sales ID is not in, that is 1 and 4. That will be 2, 3 and 5. So that's it. But still, if you have any doubts or any questions, you can post them in the comment section and I will try to resolve them. Thank you.